Hey everyone, it's Mandy. How are you guys doing? Hey, we are gonna change out this little guy that I've been using in my entryway, and we're gonna make a little coffee bar sign. So join me as I'm gonna remove it and get going, okay? So as you guys are jumping on, say hello and tell me where you're from, and I appreciate you guys joining me tonight. And hopefully you can chill out and relax. Have a little latte. This one actually comes with two. So we're gonna do the latte one, but this Let's Bake is just as cute. So are you a latte person or are you a baker? So answer those questions down below. Give me some hearts if you guys like some lattes. And we're gonna start by cleaning off this board, and this is our I think this one's so cute and so versatile because you can turn it this way or this way, or you can even just do it standalone without the board. So, you know, you can kind of create and design however you want to. But first I wanted to show you like our paste. Like some people ask about like how the paste is. And so our paste goes on wet and it dries hard, okay? And then it stays on there for as long as you want. So it's hard, it won't smudge. It's chalk paste, so it's kind of like in between like old school chalk and you know, craft paint or chalk paint. But just get some water on there, and I kind of like this. This is kind of fun for me. It's just to kind of take your fingers and rub it around and get off the chalk paste. But you probably don't want to watch me do that tonight. So I'm gonna use our scraper tool and get it off real quick so that we can get moving on our project. But I wanted to show you guys how that works and how this little scraper tool works too and saves you time. So, and this is all these products can be found in my shop. So if you're interested in that, just type in DIY and I'll get you the list for it. I'll send you a message with the list in it. And then I don't think I've introduced myself tonight. I get focused on what I'm doing and I forget. I kind of think everybody knows me, but we've had some newbies this week, so I want to welcome you guys. And my name is Mandy Ross, and I'm with Gwen's Foxy Nests, and I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer. And I like to come on here and inspire you to have the foxiest nest with different craft inspiration and, you know, kind of give you some ideas to fix up your coffee bar, your entryways, your door, welcoming your guests at your doorway. So just kind of all different little ideas. Fireplaces, updating your fireplace mantles. So if you, I have lots of videos, so you can go to the video vault and check those out for us. So, okay, now I got that off and we're just gonna start new. And this is the great thing about this chalkboard is it's reusable. That's what it's made for. So it just kind of allows you to change this out like faster than you can make a latte, basically. So I'm going to take this and get it centered here the way I like, and then I'm also going to use this cute little milk can out. We're gonna chalk on it tonight too. So it's going to be part of my little decor for my coffee bar. So, are you guys ready to get started? Okay. So let me just show you how that looks. And I like that you can see that it's taller than my board, but that's okay. I'm making it work. They just fold right in there. So, let me know. Let me put some water in here. You want your chalk paste to be kind of like a yogurt-like consistency, so if it's dry, just put in some water. Do you guys actually like to get up with the sunset or sunrise and have your coffee? Are you a sunset person? I'm a sunset girl. So I love the beauty of the sunset and at the different places I go. It's kind of my thing. I like to take pictures and wait for it to happen. But a lot of people like to get up and see the sunrise because it's just as beautiful, right? Ponder your day, have a good time. Okay, hold on. There we go. Now, just gonna spread it around and just on the areas that have the actual design, so you don't have to do the whole thing. And then once this is done, I'm just gonna take it to my sink and I'll wash it up just with water. You just wanna use water on it. Get all the paste off, let it, turn it upside down and let it dry. And then put it back on the backer sheet that you got it from, okay? And then you get to use it like 8 to 12 times. And most of the time we get more use out of it than that. And what I'm doing, I'm just taking up the excess of the paste and putting it back in my jar because it doesn't really use a whole lot. And you can, you know, a little goes a long ways. So let me show you. I got that all done. So now I'm just gonna peel this off. Isn't that cute? Okay, I'm gonna set this aside because I'm now gonna use it on this little milk can. I just want the little coffee cup. So I'm just gonna try to put it right here. I'm gonna put this here so it doesn't stick to my paper. And I thought this little milk can would look cute as like a little decoration, kind of coffee and creamer type deal, you know. But if you really had like a creamer bottle or ceramic bottle or whatever, you could actually ink on it and make it permanent. But I am just going to put paste on this in case I want to wipe it off and do a new image. So, you know, just allows you to kind of change up your decor with the time, you know, whatever you're kind of feeling. You know, the creator of this product really kind of knows women because she knew that we like to change up our decor and you know, we don't like it all the same all the time. Okay, I'm gonna do this in blue. So when it comes time for me to want to change out my milk can, I basically just wash it off with water and start over. So, and I always kind of tell people, if you have an item that you want to paste on or whatever that you're going to want to wash off, just put a little paste on the back and make sure that it comes off, right? You don't want it to stain anything or be permanent. Let me see if this is gonna work. Yep. So this should be your little cute addition to the coffee bar. Put that back in there. And then always just take it up slow and make sure that you got all the areas. Hello, thanks for joining. Aw. I love this blue. It's kind of like a blue jean blue. Now you have a little coffee cup on there. So I'm gonna put that by my sign, my chalkboard sign, and just put in some greenery here, right? So, and I did it blue just because it's, you know, summer and it's patriotic, and just kind of give it a little bit of some color basically. Okay, let me put this off to the side, and I'm gonna put a bow. And it doesn't take very long to, it doesn't take very long to dry at all. So that should already be dry and ready to go. That, and let me get our little base here. And this is called, I guess it's a pillar. It's called the pillar. And I'm gonna put this little bow on. Did you guys have a good, I guess, Monday? This week's gonna be off, right? All week, because it's, we had we'll have a short week because of the holiday. So hopefully you enjoyed your holiday weekend, and this week will be short for you. Maybe get some crafting time in. Did you get crafting time in over the holiday? So let me see, can you see that? Isn't that cute? Over this way, kind of backwards for me. And then my little coffee cup on my milk can. And there you go. That's how I would probably decorate it. Or I would, I have some little houses. Let me see about those. Let me get those. My little farmhouse, shiplap farmhouse houses. I could put there. Maybe more like this. I don't know. Can you see? Oh, sorry. I don't know if you can see that really well. There we go. And yeah, this one and this one goes over just a little bit. So I'd probably do something like that to get it decorated. And at your little coffee bar, or even just a little coffee cup. Let me see if I have a coffee cup. Maybe take out this little guy and put a coffee cup in, like that, to get it decorated. Or take these guys out and just put that back in. Simple, right? Some people like it a little more simple. Some people like a little more. You could just have your little coffee cup there. So that would be some coffee bar ideas for your latte. Love you, latte. So what do you guys think? Was this something you could see in your kitchen, or maybe even have a coffee shop that you could display it in? So let me know. Give me some hearts, guys, if you're enjoying our products or enjoying my projects, and then and decorating ideas and all that good stuff. If you want the exact product list, give me a DIY and I'll send it to you in a message. If you want to join our club, I want to learn more about our monthly club, type in club. It's $19.99 a month, and you get an exclusive transfer each month to craft with. And if you want to join and be a designer like me, just type in join, and I'll get the information on that. So guys, quick and easy projects. Create a unique, unique decor. What am I trying to say? It's unique decor for your home that you'll love to wake up to in the morning. Okay, so have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.